In this video, we will learn the pronunciation and the meaning of the word expunge. We will also go through some example sentences and a short conversation to understand the word in detail. Firstly, we will learn the pronunciation. The word pronounce as expunge. Expunge. Let us move on to the meaning of expunge. The word expunge means to remove or erase completely. It is often used in legal contexts to refer to the removal of a record, such as a criminal record, minutes of meetings, or certain parts of publications. Let us move on to some example sentences to see how this word is used. Sentence 1.
The lawyer worked hard to expunge the criminal record of her client. The lawyer worked hard to expunge the criminal record of her client. In this sentence, expunge means to completely remove or erase the criminal record of her client. The lawyer is working hard to make sure the record no longer exists.
Sentence 2. Due to the sensitive nature of the discussion, the Speaker ordered that certain sections of the debate be expunged from the parliamentary minutes. Due to the sensitive nature of the discussion, the Speaker ordered that certain sections of the debate be expunged from the parliamentary minutes. In this sentence, expunge means to completely remove or delete certain parts of the debate from the official parliamentary record because the discussion was sensitive.
Finally, we will see a short conversation between the editor of a book publication and Bob.
Hey Bob, just wanted to let you know that I'm going to expunge a few articles from Sarah's book.
Oh, really? Which articles are you removing and why?
They touch on some sensitive topics that might not align well with the book's overall message.
I see. Sarah might not be happy about that.
I'll discuss it with her and explain the reasons behind the decision.
All right, I trust your judgment on this.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, please share your valuable comments and feedback in the comment section. See you with next word. Bye.